Welcome back to our class. Next class, question number, now we will go to in this class question number 7 also, okay. Question number 7 tells, let me read the questions. Two concentric circles of radius 5 cm and 3 cm. Find the length of the chord of the largest circle which touch the smaller circle. Concentric circles, already I have taught you, right? What is concentric circle? What is a concentric circle? Two circles are concentric circles if they have same center. Means one center, many circles. I already explained to you with the numerous examples. Circle 1, another circle. Circle 2. Both the circles are having same center. Understood? One radius, largest circle, what is the largest circle radius? 5 cm. Center O. Then smaller circle. Smaller circle radius how much? 3 cm. Right? The condition is given. Find the length of the chord of the largest circle. Chord already you learned, right? Length of the chord of the largest circle which touches the smaller circle. The largest circle chord which touches the smaller circle. That is, let us say AB is a chord of the largest circle and it touches the circle, smaller circle at P. Now our question is, what is the length of the chord AB? Chord AB. Okay. Radius of the largest circle. AO is equal to how much? 5 cm. Radius of the smaller circle, that is PO is equal to how much? 3 cm. Length of the chord, AB is equal question mark. We are going to find the AB. In triangle APO, or we can say in right triangle APO, in right triangle APO. Look at the figure, all of you. What angle? How many degree it will be? Yes, last class we learned, right? How many degree? 90 degree. Why it is 90 degree? Because AP is a, AP is a tangent, isn't it? So the point of contact of tangent and radius, last class we learned, right? Make how many degree? 90 degree. So it is 90 degree. 90 degree opposite side is which one? The longest side, that is hypotenuse, right? OP radius is given. What do we have to find out? AB. AO is equal to 5 cm. PO equal to 3 cm. And AP question mark. First let us find the AP. By Pythagoras theorems. Yes, what is the Pythagoras theorem tells? Square of longest side is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Is that not? AO square, that is a longest side, is equal to AP square, or we can write John. AP square plus PO square equal to AO square. AP we do not know, PO we know how much? 3 centimeter. AOB in how much? 5 centimeter. 3 3 is 9 centimeter square. 5 5 is 25 centimeter square. 25 minus 9 centimeter square. 25 minus 9 is how much? Yes, 16 centimeter square. AP. Remove the square. As I said, you have to put which one? Root. Square root of 16 is how much? 4. So 4 square root of centimeter square is centimeter. So AP is equal to how much? 4 centimeter. Next. Similar. Again here 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 90 degree, all are equal, right? Same, isn't it? 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter, same 3 centimeter. So similarly BP also how much? BP also how much? 4 centimeter. Here if it is 4 centimeter, here also it will be how many centimeter? 4 centimeter. Okay, now AB. Code AB equal, AB is equal what? This full AB is equal to AP plus BP. AP plus BP. AP how much? 4 centimeter plus again 4 centimeter, how much? 8 centimeter. So AB is equal to how much? 8 centimeter. Okay children, answer is completed. All of you copy down quickly and we will go to the next questions. Here onwards, questions are, the difficulty levels are built up. So you have to be very careful, okay? Now question number 8 tells, all of you look at the textbooks. Question number 8 tells, a quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Prove that AB plus CD equal to AD plus BC. It is already given in your textbook, the figure is already given. A circle, a quadrilateral circumscribe, there are two words are there. One is circumscribe, another one is inscribe. Inscribe means inside the circle. Inside the circle a quadrilateral. Clear? Circumscribe means outside the circle. Outside the circle, circumference. Circumference means, you know what is the boundary of the circle, right? So this is circle. There is a quadrilateral is drawn. A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, we are going to prove, this is question number 8, okay? AB plus CD equal to AD plus BC. AD plus BC. This is what we are going to prove. Look at them. AP and AS equal or not? I am telling you AP equal to AS. Why? Tell me the reason. What is the reason? Why AP and AS are equal? Yes. Yes, your answer is correct. AP because AP and AS are from an external point. Is that no? From an external point to the circle. From an external point to the circle which touches the only one place, right? So this is called what? Tangent, right? So AP and AS both are equal because it is a tangent. What about BP and PQ? BP and PQ, that are also equal, right? What about CQ and CR? Also equal. What about DR and DS? Also equal. Reason which one? Tangents theorems. The previous class we learned, right? Now we are going to prove AB plus CD. AB. What is AB? AB, shall you write AB equal to AP plus BP? Yes or no? AP plus BP, right? Next which one? CD. What is CD? CR plus DR. CR plus DR. Yes or no? Okay. AP. In place of AP, shall you write AS? Yes, look at the board. In place, AP and AS, are they equal or not? They are tangent, isn't it? AP and AS are equal, right? So in place of AP, what we can write? AS. So AS plus BP. In BP and BQ are equal, isn't it? Tangents. So in place of BP, what we can write? BQ. BQ you can write. Plus. Which one? CR. CR and CQ are equal. So in place of CR, what we can write? CQ. Next which one? DR. DR and DS equal, right? DR is equal to DS. So you can write which one? DS. Now S all put together. AS and DS put together plus now BQ plus CQ put together. AS plus DS. AS plus DS. AS plus DS equals to AD. Yes or no? BQ plus CQ. BQ plus CQ. BQ and CQ together, which one? Which one? BC. Proved or not? Is that now? Answer is over. Okay? Okay, children, write all of you. Next. Question number 9 will go. Question number 9, comparing to question number 8, question number 9 is difficult. So you have to be very careful, okay? First let me draw that figure so that okay. Okay. Question number 9 tells xy and x dash y dash. How to read this one? X dash y dash. Okay. That on the top there, if there is a 1 is there, then dash we have. Xy and x dash y dash are two parallel lines. These lines are parallel. Xy and x dash y dash is a parallel lines. To a circle with the center O. Another tangent AB. No, this is A. Another tangent AB with the point C touching the circle at C, okay, intersecting xy at A and x dash y dash at B. Prove that angle AOB, this angle. To prove angle AOB is equal to how many degree? 90 degree we have to prove. How to prove? Join OC. Join OC. Okay. Now proof. Listen. Triangle APO and triangle ACO. There are two triangles. Look at the board. Triangle APO, this triangle, and another one ACO, this triangle. These two triangles. We are going to prove concurrent. How to prove concurrent? AP equal to AC or not? AP and AC equal or not? Yes. Why? Tangents, right? Tangents. Okay, no problem. Next, PO and CO. PO and CO are equal or not? Yes or no? Yes. Why? Radii, right? Next, OC equal to OC or not? Sorry, not OC. Which one? AO. AO equal to AO or not? Because AO is a common for both the sides, right? Both the triangles, isn't it? So they are equal. So these two triangles are concurrent, right? Therefore, triangle APO concurrent to triangle ACO. Why? Side. Previous class we will learn, right? Yes or no? If these two triangles are concurrent, then look at the board. Angle 1 and angle 2 equal or not? Tell me. Yes or no? Why? CP, CT, corresponding part of concurrent triangles. Okay. So you according to corresponding part of concurrent triangle, angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. Clear? Next. Similarly, angle 3 and 4 also equal or not? In triangle, which one? BOQ and triangle, which one? And triangle BOC. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. Is that now? Yes. Now, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4. When you add all these 4 angles, how many degrees you will get? Yes, 180 degree, right? Why? Straight angle. Okay. Now come. In place of angle 1, because we need angle 2 and 3. In place of angle 1, shall I write angle 2? Is that no? Angle 2 already here, 3 already here. In place of 4, shall I write angle 3? How much? 180 degree. So 2 times angle 2 is here, 2 times angle 3 is here, so 180 degree, right? Angle 2 plus angle 3, you can take 2, you take common, 180 degree, right? So 2 plus angle 3 equal how much? 180 degree divide how many degree? 90. Angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal how many degree? 90 degree. What is angle 2 plus 3? That is AOB, right? Inside the bracket, angle 2 plus angle 3 equal how much? Angle AOB. I went little out of time. Answer is over. Okay, children, we'll meet the next class. Okay, but before that we copy down. Okay, see you all.